Hi, welcome back. This is just going to be a quick 2-minute video show you the easiest way I found to put the gimbal back on the DJI Mini 5 Pro, because it's not the easiest thing to do, but this way is basically foolproof. So first of all, you may find that the propellers are a bit stiff and they won't move when you press them. Simple way to do that is if you just press up forward, then they'll move again. Because what happens is the propeller locks in place with the centrifugal force, so it won't allow it. So you just need to push it up slightly and then the propeller is going to move. So make sure the propellers are facing down and that you're holding the strap back on the drone cover. And then with the drone upside down, you can just slot in the cover over the top. And then you can just take the propellers, turn them around, and then if you just push in slightly, they'll go underneath the cover. And they can do that on both sides. And as I said, if they don't turn, just press them in. So then when the bottom of the cover is on, just bring the propellers down so they cover the DJI logo, and then you can just take the strap, pull that down and lock it into place. And it's as simple as that. A really easy, quick and simple way to get the gimbal cover back on. So again, if you found this 2-minute tutorial useful, give me the thumbs up, the like and subscribe. I've got lots of other videos on here covering waypoints, master shots, cruise control, and the settings you should change, and different drone moves you can make, which are my top 10 for the Mini 5 Pro. So all that remains to say is thanks very much for watching. There is a link to buy me a coffee down below if anybody wants to do that. And I'd also like to thank the people who have already donated that. And as I've said in my other videos, any money I make with the Buy Me a Coffee is going to go through to new drones like the Neo 2, which is coming out next month, so I can continue with the channel and keep you updated. Okay, thanks very much, and I'll catch you again next time. Thanks, bye-bye.